Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add cell fill to gradient in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I add cell fill to gradient. At first I have to select a cell. Then go to show or hide and format style option. Now you can see here are cell option. Now I select this cell, then click this fill option. Now choose this fill and make, you can see here are gradient fills. Now I choose this gradient fills. Now click outside of this table. Now you can see I add cell fill to gradient in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.